Hello everyone, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are great, but unfortunately, I'm not in a good conditions, today. Okay, first of all, thanks for God, We are here in the fourth meeting. We are discussing about radio, yeah, like we had in our course grid in the first meeting. What we are going to do in this meeting, we are going to have a career in a radio. Then the second one, we are going to discuss about certain knowledge related with the BBC, a radio history. Then the third, we are going to discuss about the terminology, the terms in a radio, yeah, briefly. Then the last, we are going to practice reading the script, or later on, you will be a radio announcer, pretend to be the radio announcer. It is also related with our assignment, later on. Okay, now what are the career in radio broadcasting? We can have this field into interviewing the politician, artist, musician, reporting the news, but that's not enough. There are many relation with the broadcasting field, with the radio field, and then it started with the education in radio and communities. One of them is about your study program, our course English for Communication. Careers in radio broadcasting, whether it is not just about our field, it can consist of another field like management, accounting, we will discuss all here. First is about general manager. This is the person who is responsible for the overall financial health. It's about administrative and accounting matters. Okay, then what else? We have programming directors, determine the creative vision for a radio station or show. This is like a brain for a radio program. Need a creativity because this person handle radio promotion project. Then the next is related with the management and accounting, the sales manager. You can see from the explanation is about accounting, about revenue and extra, sales, developing market strategies. Then next, about radio engineers, can be the one, who have master control engineers or chief engineers or communication engineers. There are many. Okay, next, this is about us, mostly, we can be a part of it. Radio announcer, radio announcer, including disc jockey and news reporters, can play the music, somehow we can have music playing, announce commercial. So the advertisement is important, in the radio life. Why the radio uh, can survive? It is because the commercials, give public services announcement, interact with the listeners, of course, to engage with the listeners, we need these skills, then provide general commentary and entertainment, like in television, because radio is the basic of the next step, like television, podcast, and stuff. Okay. Okay. Next, it is about the history of radio. The oldest radio, that we know is BBC, in the United Kingdom first, originally there, and then it has many station 1, station 2, station 3. First, as our beginning, after the profession or career in broadcasting, we like to know about each radio station, dedicating the oldest radio station in the world, BBC, because as we know that this is the biggest and also the oldest one, So in each station, they have different program, different scope of that broadcasting. Yeah, what are they? Yeah, first BBC Radio One. Have you know? Do you know about it? Have you known it before? Yeah. Radio One is about the best music and entertainment. Yeah, it's about popular music and youth oriented. So if the UK people wanna hear popular music youth oriented through radio, they will turn on the BBC Radio One. Okay, it's about the best news, music, yeah, the new musics and entertainment. Yeah. Then how about BBC Radio 2? This is the image of the BBC Radio 2. Can you guess it? Yeah, almost same. Yeah, it's about music too. But what is it? The most listens to the station in the UK. Yeah, that. This is the most listened to the station in the UK. In each country, they have different preferences. Yeah, so we cannot generalize. Oh, it is not our style. But this is the UK one. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it is about the easy listening music, adult oriented. Yeah. So what's next? It's about the easy listening music. So sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, I got flu. Okay. Yeah, as you know, a different country, different style. The UK people like to hear this kind of song. Yeah. I'm so sorry. Yeah. So how about BBC Radio 3? This is about classical, jazz, world music, drama, and the arts. Yeah, kind of bigger scope, yeah, in the listening of music. We have in BBC One, BBC Two, BBC Three, yeah, BBC Radio 3. It is about classical music. So if they want to hear the classical music, they will listen to BBC Radio 3. Yeah, as you know of this picture, yeah, they have orchestra, they have classical music, they have jazz, and even in the opera or theater, they have a live report like this. Not just about football that have live commentary, yeah, because this country is unique, yeah. Okay. Then this is BBC Radio 4. What is it about? Can you recognize the lady there? Yeah, that Elizabeth. Ya, the Queen Elizabeth. Ya, kok ada di situ ya? Why is she there? It is because this BBC Radio 4 provide the home of intelligent speech radio. Ya, what is it about? It is about the news, current affair, and art. So if they have important person to be what that invited in the radio program, they will have in a radio 4, BBC Radio 4. It is about news, current affairs, art, history, yeah, originally in-house drama, run comedy, science, book, religion, and others. Okay. Then BBC 4. After that, we have BBC 5. Nah, this is the favorite one for the sport, yeah, the home of live news and live sport. Mostly in football, yeah, but they have a general report. The country famous with the Premier League, yeah, they have kind of slogan like live news and live sport, Premier League football, Champions League football, Euro football, and so many slogan because they love football. They are addicted to it. So they have a special sport section, yeah, for those program in BBC Radio 5. Okay, sport live. Next, yeah, about imperial news and report from around the world. Yeah, they have global news and documentary. They are in BBC 6. Okay, that's for the story of it. We will continue for the next topic. Yeah, it is about the general terms in radio. What are they? Next slide. Yeah. First, we will have a kind of mistakes recognizing. Yeah. Please correct the mistakes in the following extract from the radio broadcast. So there is a script. Yeah. Imagine that this is a radio announcer. You are listening to Radio Australia. I'm Jill Brennan and welcome at Good Morning Australia. Which one is wrong or not appropriate based on the, yeah, we know about the grammatical mistakes here. So we change add into to, so like it will be like this. You are listening to Radio Australia. I'm Jill Brennan and welcome to Good Morning Australia. Here, please read it carefully. What is the mistakes? Sorry for the inconvenience. Here's Bach Concerto for keyboard in D major, performed with Alison Balsam and Colm Carey. Which one? Yeah, we change with to by. Yeah. Next, it's Tuesday, the 19th January. This is report with Bill Knowles and Justin Wells. Still to come in the next half hour, we'll be interviewing to Jenny Kirk. Which one? Yeah, we will delete or eliminate two. So we will be interviewing directly ya, Jenny. Langsung saja seperti itu. Okay, next. This week, John Walsh presents a program with finding work on the internet. Which one is wrong in the grammar? Grammatically wrong is about with, yeah, we change it about. This week, John Walsh presents a program about finding work on the internet. Something like that. Now, about the terms. Ya, istilah-istilah ya. Kita akan belajar sekilas. Commissioning brief terms. Ya, what is the vocabulary? Kita akan nebak kosakatanya apa ya. Pre-recorded radio item, which can include all or some of the following things. Interview, command, music. Ya, dari gambarnya, ya, from the picture we get a clue. This is package. Jadi istilahnya kalau dalam radio terms in English, this is package. Kalau ngomong paket, ya, package ya, in English of course. It's about pre-recorded radio item. Then length and the structure. If we talk about length and the structure in the radio program, we are going about radio format. Yeah, we are going to discuss about radio format. Next, this is very famous, a digital medium that is distributed over the internet and can be listened to on personal computer or portable player. Yeah, podcast. We got familiar with now. Next, dry version is pre-recorded item which includes only the spoken word. That is no music or sound effect. Jadi kalau ada materi yang masih mentah ya tanpa efek musik atau background suara dan sebagainya itu disebut dry version. Ya, in general terms raw materials ya, but in the radio it's specific ya, we specify it into dry version. Okay. Word said by a DJ or presenter to introduce and link segment music, itu namanya cues. Jadi kalau menghubungkan siaran ya tentang musik, chart, a music chart for example, they will not go directly to okay number one like this, dan number two like this. No, they have kind of little talk about it like this. Jadi ada they have coherence from this part into the next part. They have a smooth relation. Jadi, we have the Rolling Stones on the tap tonight along the Little Steppenwolf and a healthy serving of Led Zeppelin. So, let's start the evening with a perennial favorite, Stairway to Heaven. Nah, lalu musik diputar, the music is starting, then done. They said something that is called by cue, ya. Jadi nggak langsung jump into the next, just like that. No. Then they will say, you just heard Stairway to Heaven. More than 40 years after its release, this remains one of the top influences rock music. Ya. Jadi seperti itu. Oke, ada setiap penjeda peringkat musik dia ada sesuatu yang dibicarakan. Ya, it is not about the music but about link segment, ya, segmen-segmen tertentu. Tidak kasar berubahnya. They have smooth changing. Okay, next. Most important listener itu disebut apa dalam radio terms? Key audience. Okay, yeah, key audience is most important listeners. Then to promote with a preview, ya, trail ahead. Nah, ini sudah ada. To be broadcast itu on air, ya, siaran langsung itu on air. Sudah ada kata serapan di Indonesia, ya, because we ever heard about on air. A technique that uses established social network to promote a product. For example, friends forwarding a funny video clip by email, itu sudah jadul sekali, ya, istilahnya ini, ya. Ini disebut viral marketing. Ya. Oke, sekarang latihan sedikit. Ya, you have kind of exercise. Tapi ini kita lewati karena teks, ya. Ini teksnya saya berikan nanti, ya, di in the other file in the e-learning website, ya. You just take a look at this answer, ya. Nanti bisa dicoba dulu. You can try first then check the answer because in the file is shown about the answer directly. Itu langsung ada jawabannya, ya. Tapi kalau untuk latihan teman-teman mencoba mengerjakan dulu. Oke. Nah. Oke, ini this is the task or assignment, but not to be submitted, just to be read. You need to read the article, then try to answer it, then check it here in the video or in the materials, ya. Oke. Radio terms, ini summary-nya, ya. Short list, tambahannya, list chosen from a longer list. Jadi, if we have kind of list of music, list of sequence of news, something like that, we have listed before. It's about short list. Then how the order is about running order, ya, sequence of stories in a radio show. Then if there is a event that are happening as we speak, for example about earthquake, while we are speaking about music chart, yeah, so sorry for it, yeah, we have breaking news. Then we have lead story, the most important story, and we have to brief to give instruction or information. Ya, ada macam-macam, ya. News list, ya, pre-recorded item which contain interview. Jadi news list itu bisa interview, command, music, ya. Stringer, we have freelance journalist. Jurnalis, tapi yang freelance itu disebut stringer. The briefing, ya, ini sama dengan di radio atau di magazines nantinya, atau di television ada istilah-istilah seperti the briefing, itu detailed discussion about work that has been done. Ya, after a program, they have kind of review. They can send it through email or they can have a little meeting. Ya, they call it debriefing to improve the next program, to have evaluation for what have done. Nah, itulah debriefing. Pulayas, to speak to people in order to exchange information with them. Ya, like a specific term of conversation, ya, but regarding to get the information. Okay, the last, this is your assignment. You need to practice at home the script. there are 7 scripts. You can choose one of them and please record it, yeah, through your mobile phone or through several devices, up to you, feel free for it. Then send it to the assignment, ya. Nanti ada pilihan submit the file di assignment, silahkan submit. Not 7 of the script that need to be submitted. Please choose one. Pilih satu scriptnya, can be number 1, number 2 till number 7. Choose one, then try to record your utterances, your you will have a role play as a radio announcer, ya. Jadi nanti jadi penyiar radio, baca ini, direkam, kumpulkan di assignment. Oke. The file will be submitted there. Nah, ada 7. Misalnya yang pertama, ya. Ini bisa cepat, ini iklan. Iklan bisa macam-macam, ya. I will give you several samples, ya. Like this, ya. When you need a ride in Twin Pines area, Twin Pines Transit is the way to go. Twin Pines Transit offers convenient service daily to anyone who needs a ride, from a little pine village to a big pine township. Find out why more people are using Twin Pines Transit for shopping, work, medical appointments, community college classes, and even area recreation. Visit twinepinetransit.org today or call 300-0321. Twin Pines Transit is the way to go. You can practice like that. Or in another context, this is about reporter, yeah, but it is about radio field, yeah. Reporting, I mean the radio announcer that report a certain certain news. This is about Temple Update. Itu nama sekolah, ya, bukan Temple Quill, ya. Hello, I'm Agustinus Haristiawan, and this is a Temple Update news brief. New Temple President Neil Theobald says he hopes to have a recommendation on new provost within the next few weeks. Theobald tells the Temple Times filling key leadership position is one of his top early priorities. He says the provost and dean search committees are making great progress. Nah, done. Jadi teman-teman nanti read the script. Please choose. You can try for several times. Then choose the best. You can send it through the assignment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ya, choose one of them. Dipilih salah satunya saja, ya. Which one that suits with you. Okay. So this week we learned several things about radio in general, yeah, career in radio. Then what was it about? Related with general terms in a radio, and previously it's about BBC, yeah, it's about kind of general knowledge about radio. Then the general terms in radio. Then after that we have kind of exercise, last about script, yeah, reading the script, pretending to be a radio announcer. Thank you very much for this week materials. Thank you. See you again. Bye.